Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome back. Krishna here with PerspecTube. Today I have got something very special.
MacBook Pro in space black.
Ever since I started coding, owning a MacBook Pro has been a dream. Until now, across the all version of MacBook, it has a sleek design and super fast performance, and how well it works with the Mac OS and other Apple products makes it perfect for my work and creativity. Okay, let's get started. So let's see. Let's unboxing this one. I'm very excited. Okay, let's get started. Okay. Alright. Let's get started unboxing this one. This very beautiful machine and powerful machine. Will I flip girl? Okay. On the back side, I have got the product description, which is 36 GB of unified memory, as well as the 16-inch MacBook Pro with Apple M3 Mac chip. We got the double package sealer, one over here and another one over here. Sounds nice, and this sounds. Let's flip this one to the other side. Packaging team, thumbs up from me. It's really worth it. Let's do it. Ta-da! What's in the box? Let's see it. The MacBook Pro, of course. It comes with the paper-like packaging. Let's keep this one up its side. The first one is we have a matching collar braided with the USB-C charging cable, which is a nice touch for the durability. It is sleek with a premium look that perfectly complements the MacBook Pro's aesthetic. You can actually kind of get a hint what space black will look like with this aluminum over here. And we have the envelope designed by Apple in California, which can contain user manuals as well as user guide. And the important thing is our sticker. It feels so premium, and the 140-watt power adapter. Quite hefty, can charge very fast, which is actually necessary to the beast. Let's open this one. It's not coming out. Okay. Let's keep on this a bit side, and we have got the header over here. Let's keep this box aside. We have got this one. Let's open this. Talking about the paper, it almost feels like a wax paper. So space black pretty much looks like a darker version of the space gray. It's not like a true dark black. Tilt it and you will see a deep black with a gradient depending on how the lights hit. First impression, it feels so solid. We can see on the back, Apple has engraved the name, which is MacBook Pro. Even though it's an expensive machine, it feels so nice. The cool metal surface and the weight distribution. Apple is using ionization process to prevent from the fingerprint, and it does really good job preventing from the fingerprint. The build quality is just impeccable. You can really feel the premium craftsmanship that Apple is known for. On the left hand side, we have got the MagSafe charging port, 2 Thunderbolt 4 USB-C, and 3.5 mm headphone jack. On the right hand side, we have got the HDMI port, another Thunderbolt port, and an SD card reader. Pretty much everything we need. So let's open this one. Okay. Apple sound. It looks so nice. Let's flip it over this one. It will say hello in different languages. And I'll be setting up this one going further. So I continue to like the dark background on the keyboard, speaker on both ends side, which is good than other average laptop. Massive iPhone screen size trackpad. Let's talk about what's inside.
The power of the M3 family of chips, up to 22 hours of battery life, a stunning Liquid Retina XDR display, and advanced connectivity. There's simply no other laptop like MacBook Pro.
The M3 Max chip marks the Apple third generation of silicon. It's really incredible that's how far we have come. M1 was already a powerhouse, and depending on what you are doing. The M3 Max offers 2.5 times rendering speed, a significant upgrade, especially if you are coming from M1 chip. If you are coming from Intel-based Apple chip, Apple Silicon in general blows away. Basically, you can achieve whatever you want to do with this beast. Coding, graphics designing, video editing, all that kind of stuff. The processors are so impressive and a very few people can harness the power of this chip. If you have been using M1 for more than 2 years, now might be the perfect time to upgrade. Most people upgrade their devices every 5 to 6 years. The M3 Max is fast and powerful. It's an absolute beast. Apple Silicon really sets the standard with this laptop, with up to 22 hours of battery life. It's unprecedented and best in class, easily outperforming most of the PCs. You might want to consider using skin protector for this laptop. I'll be testing this more with upcoming coding session or video editing session. Or after using real life scenario, I'll be creating a full review on this device. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment box below. Stay tuned for more updates. I'll catch you on the next video.